So excited.
Wow, this is crazy. So Treehouse Game just arrived like 5 minutes ago. 5 minutes ago. So here it is. Here it is, fresh out of the box. And we thought we would unbox the first one with you all because so many people have been on the journey together.
Yeah.
So it's all shrink wrapped. I don't know if my nail's long enough. I can grab a knife or I can just slide it across. So taking off the outer covering right there. And then let's have a look at this. Oh, I think given though you are the game creator, you should do the honours and do the unboxing. Yep.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Right, wow, I love the glossy box.
Yeah, it looks great,
It's
doesn't it?
really nice and bright.
Yeah, huge. Wow, that's so good. All right, so there's the cover of the box right there.
Right, so it's the
What we get
first
here?
thing.
So I got the instructions how to play the Treehouse Game. So this one here is yes, a three. Oh, I gotta turn it around.
Threefold brochure.
Threefold brochure. It tells you all about it, how to play the game, what to do. That one there. So it's got all your instructions as you start off.
All right, the next thing we've got is the instruction sheet so that you can build the treehouse for the game. Very important.
Very important.
And then we've got our group agreement. So that's on nice thick cardboard. That's for the facilitator, just to go through with their group of just the shared things that they're going to agree to.
This looks so nice.
I know, wow, because we haven't actually seen
It's the very final. We've been working with samples.
Yeah.
That is absolutely gorgeous. So you don't want to see the back of it, right? So we move that aside. All right, fantastic. Let's have a little look here. Wow, absolutely. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love that extra fold in there. So let's go, great. So we did our prototype. We had a bit of work to do here.
A lot of times with this. So.
Get this right. Oh my goodness, that is
great.
That's amazing.
Yeah, and I love the matte finish too. We weren't sure about a gloss or a matte.
Yeah, because we just felt for kids that are playing it, if there's challenges around sensory really things, it's actually a really nice feel. So I should just hold that up so everyone can see it. Oh, yep. So that is the Treehouse Game. So yes, it is a proper board game. So well done.
Yeah, it's so nice to reflect because 3.5 years ago we were using a hand-drawn game board. So
everything you need to play the game is all in here in its little compartments. And so we have the what do we call those? The meeples and the die in there, and then the coloured parts, the safe people, very important for the game. And then we have the treehouse. So this is what you will put together. So that is the 3D treehouse. So that's your instructions there. And then you put that together and that will sit right here on the center of the board. Yep.
Do you want to do that, Dave?
Oh yeah, I guess I'll follow the instructions and you follow Andrea and see how good I am at following instructions.
And so you've got a little treasure bag here with all the little discs of treasure. That because it's a non-competitive game, to keep the players in the game once they've found their 3 safe people, they can start earning treasure either for themselves or for the group, and they can actually pop it into the treehouse too, which is really cute. So there's these little mini discs with all sorts of things: boba tea, little soccer ball.
Had to have bubble
Rubik's
tea.
cubes.
Yeah, shout out.
So that's all the treasure that they can choose to remain in the game. That's fun. Pop that back in there.
Oh, I think it's so nice.
Yeah, it's all really nicely set out and wrapped. This is another really important part of the game, which is the character cards. I'm going to open them up.
Yep.
Oh, they look great. So when the kids are playing this game, they're actually playing through the eyes of a character.
Yeah.
So the facilitators will either pass them out or let the group choose their own card, and each character has their name and their picture on the front, and then a description of their likes and dislikes and all the things about them, their vulnerabilities, their challenges, their strengths are all on the back there. So we chose a nice thick card for those. They feel really nice. Pop them back into their spot, and then we've got all the other playing cards. So the community cards, we've got the warning cards, which have got different scenarios that need answering through the eyes of the character. Choice cards, which are like would you rather, which bring a really nice light feel to the game. And then the help cards, which is like an advantage or help in the game. Wow, there's a treehouse. That looks good.
So I wasn't following the instructions. I was going off memory. It took me a minute.
That looks cool.
Yeah.
So
Fantastic.
Yeah, all the different vehicles in
Yes,
here.
everything comes ready to go. So you got, all your cards are in here ready. And then on the back of the Treehouse Game How to Play is the QR code to the facilitator course. So that's really important. When you buy the game, you'll get access to the facilitator course. So that's tells you not just how to play the game, but also tells you a bit of the why behind it, and then also has some additional things and resources that you could use as part of playing the game. So the aim of the game is it is facilitator led. So what we have is the facilitator course is really critical for you as a facilitator to learn about the Treehouse game, what's the purpose, and then help you as you're doing gameplay with students or with children. And so we really want to make that available. So as soon as you get the game, the course is free that goes with it, and you can go back as many times as you like and learn more about the game. So
Yeah.
my goodness, what a great day.
I feel like playing it.
Yeah,
now.
I feel like playing it as well. So yeah, so good. Well done to you, Andrea, and the team, and everyone who's kind of
Yes.
spoken into this, the illustrator and all those that have been part of this journey. It's been a long one. It's taken a minute.
Yeah, I think almost 4 years since we first started to
Yep.
think about making a game.
And lots of help, lots of different people along the way
Yeah,
that have
lots
spoken
of
into the
people.
game, the schools that where we've trialled it, and the feedback's been
the
absolutely
designer
fantastic.
of the Treehouse
Yes,
game,
yes.
the board,
Yep.
everything. So
Your typesetting, the logo creation, all of those parts. It's been a big journey.
definitely celebration.
Yep. Celebration today.
So,
Very excited.
Here it is.
That is the unboxing. So can't wait for you guys to use the game and just honestly for it to make an impact with children, because it helps children understand safe places, safe people, and safe spaces. And it's so critical that we upskill our children in these areas. It's
100%.
it's those that want to hurt and perpetrate crimes get children going younger and younger. So a game aged at sort of grade 5, grade 6, even up to year 7 is so critical to have those very important conversations with children.
So if you know someone who works in wellbeing
Yep.
in a school, preferably primary school or early secondary, please let them know about the Treehouse game. We think it's going to be a really good tool for them to be able to use. And it's play-based, it's fun.
Yeah,
and
it's fun.
it makes hard conversations a lot easier.
So great.
All right.
All right.
Thanks. See ya.